So
just try this one though. This will hold you down. This is it works just like the Liberty patch, and it works within seconds. Just like the Liberty patch, which is for balance and strength to your legs, and you'll feel a release within seconds. And you can have this one for a few days.
you gonna put it on me?
Yeah.
This is a jumpsuit.
Just put it on your leg or your arm.
Anywhere?
Yeah. Your leg, as long as it's dry, or your arm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it'll work within seconds. I'm gonna let you feel the strength. Now watch this test. Now watch how. Just go like this. And when I push down, you just try to keep your stability. Mm-hmm. Good. Now I bet you right now, if I took that off you, that will be a lot harder for you to do. I bet you right now, if I take that off, it will be a lot harder to do. Let me do the last test. You put one hand down like this, and when I push up, you just push down. Oh yeah, you're strong on that side. Let me try this side. Push down, and I'm gonna push up. Oh, you got good stability. Okay. Now just shake it off, because when you start walking, you're gonna start feeling a whole different operation.
I feel it.
Oh, you feel it already? Ah, yeah.
I didn't want to walk.
Yeah, because it's too cold. You normally feel a lot of pressure in your knees.
Yeah.
I'm glad that you feel the awareness of what you're feeling. And you should feel the shift in your arm too.
I feel it. This is good stuff.
Oh yeah.
Wow. A super patch, huh?
Oh yeah.
Wow, it's amazing. As I'm walking, I'm not hardly feeling the pain.
You see?
I'm not feeling nothing in my arm right now. That's amazing. It works in the whole body.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, amazing.
In seconds.
Yes.
A lot of people have asked me lately, Shay, what are you wearing on your forearms when you're training? It's called the Super Patch, and I've been wearing them for the last 6 months, and I've had amazing results. Now, what's fascinating about the Super Patch is that it uses a special pattern called vibrotactile technology. When the ridges touch your skin, our cells transmit a unique signal that interacts with our body's nervous system, sending information to our brain. And with the specific patches that I'm wearing during my training session, called the Boost Patch, I feel incredible. The Boost Super Patch is an energy patch that fuels your workout with all natural, no side effects, crash-free energy. I'm always looking for that edge in my athletic performance. So adding the Boost Patch to my speed performance training session has been a game changer. It has truly boosted my energy. So check out Super Patch for more information.